After installing the operating system, the SNMP protocol is by default not configured on the dedicated server, so you cannot keep track of the traffic on the network part of the device. In order to be able to monitor the usage of the transfer for a given server, you need to connect it to a network device, a switch in this case. When the server port is connected to the port of the switch, EasyDCIM collects the transfer information directly from the selected switch port by default. The source of the data can be changed using the traffic aggregation settings and the traffic source field, where you can select a switch or server. In order to assign the server to the switch, go to the Ports section that presents the complete list of server ports. To add a new port, you need to enter the Add New Port form, where you have to define the label and number of a port. What is more, you can specify the type of the network port by selecting the appropriate value from the list of predefined types, as well as provide a description that will allow you to identify the desired network port more easily in the future. After creating the port, connect it to the appropriate port of the switch. The connected item and connected port fields in the table are used for this purpose. In the first one, select the switch that you want to connect the server port to, then choose the appropriate switch port in the second field. That's all! The server port has been connected to the switch port. In order to monitor the transfer consumption and traffic on this server, go to Traffic Aggregation. In this section, you can specify ports that will be responsible for traffic aggregation of this server. In most cases, it'll be a single port, but the system permits you to assign an unlimited number of ports here. The Configure button launches the port selection form. You simply select the appropriate server port and save the changes. Such a configuration will allow you to collect traffic from the appropriate switch port that has been assigned to the corresponding server port.